Hi everyone, my name is Jaewon Son. I'm glad to introduce our paper, CSTA, CNN-based Spatial-Temporal Attention for Video Summarization. Before the presentation, I'm going to introduce our laboratory briefly. The name of our laboratory is Applied AI and Computer Vision Lab. The name of our professor is Kwang-Soo Kim. Our laboratory usually study computer vision, applied AI, and deep learning. Our main research topics are explainable AI, person de-identification, representation learning, meta-learning, and machine unlearning. Our main projects are as follows. Federated Learning AI Platform for Medical Data Privacy, Real-Time De-Identification for Autonomous Driving, and Real-Time 3D Generative AI for Military Training. If you have interest about our lab, please contact us. Our paper is published at CVPR, the best computer vision conference in the world. CVPR means computer vision and pattern recognition. As you can see, CVPR shows the best impact score, which shows how much prestigious this conference is. From now on, I'm going to explain our paper. Task of this paper is video summarization. The goal of this is to train models to summarize long videos like the way humans do. Firstly, input long videos into models. Secondly, train models to find important frames from the input videos. Lastly, by using selected keyframes, generate summarized videos. Video summarization helps reducing length of videos by finding essential parts in the video. This can help video retrieval and editing for the security or media platform industry. For better understanding, I'm going to show you example videos. The first video is the original video. This is used as the input data. The second video is the summarized video. This is created by the model. Like this way, models need to find important frames from the videos. For training, there is a target video generated by human. Models summarize videos as similar as target video. For better summarization, attention is commonly used to focus on key frames. Attention is an algorithm helping models focus on important parts of the data. For example, as you can see figure on the left, the word it is more related to the word the monkey. To make model understand this, attention firstly compares all the data in pairs one by one. Secondly, it can understand the context of the data based on this comparison. Lastly, it gives weights to important parts of the data depending on the context. Finding important parts resonates with the goal of the video summarization, so attention is a commonly used method in video summarization. There are two attention used in video summarization. The first attention is temporal attention, which considers temporal relations. Firstly, extract features from frames by using frozen CNN models. Secondly, calculate attention based on the comparison between frame features. Based on this comparison, model can understand the relationship of the frames. Therefore, the calculated attention based on this relationship is called temporal attention. The second attention is spatial attention, which considers visual relations in the frame. There are important and non-important things in each frame. Because of that, including spatial attention can lead to different weights of the data. Therefore, for precise attention, considering both temporal and spatial attention is necessary. There were papers considering spatiotemporal attention, and they required huge costs for better results. Previous works employ an extra model to include spatial attention for each frame. The left one used object detection models to find important visual objects in each frame. The right one used self-attention to find important visual attributes in each frame feature. They showed that spatiotemporal attention performs better than temporal attention. However, processing every frame by additional model is very costly due to the long length of videos. So the goal of this paper is video summarization model considering spatiotemporal attention and efficiency. Our approach is CNN attention. We consider video as image and then use CNN for spatiotemporal attention and efficiency. Firstly, extract frame features using frozen CNN models. Secondly, stack all frame features along the time axis. Lastly, consider these stacked data as image and apply 2D CNN models to that. There are two motivations for this approach. The first motivation is that CNN learns position in images. The figures on the slide shows the absolute position of images. There are research proving that CNN models can understand these positions in images, such as where is the right part, where is the lower part, or where is the center part of the images. Based on this research, we suppose that we can utilize this ability if we consider video as image. By using this ability, CNN models find locations of important parts for summarization. The second motivation is that CNN reduces cost for attention models. Attention requires huge cost if data size is too large. There are research that try to solve cost problem for attention models by using CNN. As you can see, the left graph shows CNN-based VIT requires less parameters and shows better performance. The right graph shows another CNN-based VIT requires less computations and shows better performance. Based on this research, we try to improve efficiency by using CNN because data size is large in video summarization. This is the overview of our model CSTA, CNN-based spatiotemporal attention. 2D CNN creates attention maps by considering frame features as images. Firstly, we stack all frame features and make it look like an image. Secondly, we apply 2D CNN to image-like input data and create attention maps. Lastly, after merging attention maps with input data, we use classifier to predict scores. Each frame has score between 0 and 1, which show how much important each frame is. Important frame has high score, and non-important frame has low score. From now, I'm going to explain the architecture of our model briefly. The first process is embedding process. From frames, it extracts embedded features which are used as input. Firstly, frozen CNN models extract features from frames. Secondly, copy frame features 2 times to create 3-channel data. The reason is that CNN models are specialized for 3-channel RGB image data. Lastly, concatenate classification token to frame features. The second process is prediction process. It predicts scores using mixtures of embedded features and pooled features. Pooled features are weighted values of embedded features. Pooled features are created by attention module. They are mixed with embedded features in mixing module. After mixing module, classifier predicts scores using mixed features.
This is the process of attention module. It creates pooled features by using 2D CNN models. At this stage, CNN models are trainable. Firstly, input key values into CNN models and create pooled features. Secondly, match the shape of pooled features same with input shape by using adaptive pooling layer. By matching their shape, we can mix input and its weight. Lastly, use skip connection and layer normalization to train CNN models better.
This is the process of mixing module. It combines pooled features and embedded features. Firstly, apply softmax along both time and dimension axes to create spatial and temporal weights. Secondly, apply dropout for better generalization. Thirdly, mix value with each spatial and temporal weight. Lastly, combine both weights and then use adaptive pooling layer to mix class token and frame features. So far, I have explained our proposed method.
From now on, I'm going to show you experiments. First experiment is to prove CNN as attention. CNN can work as attention based on video summarization results. The goal of attention is to find important parts in the data. Likewise, the goal of video summarization is to find important frames in the video. Two methods share the same goal, which is to find important parts in the data. Because of that, good video summarization performance indicates that the models can be used as attention. We try to prove that CNN can be used as attention by observing the video summarization performance of CNN models. We train CNN models to summarize videos and compares them with conventional video summarization models. As you can see the graph, CNN models show better performance than video summarization models. For some dataset, CNN models like ResNet, GoogleNet, EfficientNet, and MobileNet show better summarization results than video summarization models. For TB-Sum dataset, CNN models still show better summarization results than video summarization models. VASNet shows better performance than some CNN models, but CNN models shows comparable performance. This means CNN models are good at understanding key frames, which mean they can be used as attention algorithm. Based on this result, we construct CSTA using CNN models. To see the power of CNN as attention, we compare the performance of our model CSTA and previous research. From the table, rank means the average rank for two evaluation methods. We list all models based on the overall rank for both benchmark datasets. From the table, GoogleNet is the baseline model of CSTA. It already shows significant performance compared to existing models. Moreover, as you can see the table, our model performs the best on SUMME dataset and second best on TB-Sum dataset. DMA-Sum performs better than ours on TB-Sum dataset, but shows much poorer performance on SUMME dataset. Based on the overall performance, CSTA reaches the state of the art. This is because CSTA utilizes the power of CNN as attention, unlike previous research. To see the efficiency, we compare computation cost of CSTA and existing models. We measure MAC and denote it with the average performance from the previous slide. As you can see, previous models usually require huge costs or multimodal data for better results. However, CSTA demands less computation based on fewer MAC. Moreover, CSTA shows the best performance without additional data from other modality. This experiment shows that using CNN is suitable for video summarization where each data size is too large. Also, CNN is efficient when it comes to data because it only requires image data. Let me conclude today's presentation. To sum up, considering temporal and spatial attention is critical in video summarization. However, calculating spatiotemporal attention demands huge costs. For efficient way, we propose CSTA using CNN and show better result. Our contribution are threefold. First, this is the first paper to apply to the CNN to frame features in video summarization. Second, we propose CSTA as the efficient spatiotemporal attention model. Last, our proposed CSTA achieves state-of-the-art performance. Thank you for listening my presentation. If you want more information about our paper or laboratory, please reference below.